Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Vieste, Italy, and I'm going to do this walk, which goes along this cliff all the way back up. And if you notice, there's a little kitty sitting right over here on this wall. Let me show you that too. But it's a pretty cute little walk. Let's take a look. Pretty amazing. So this little walk goes right along this cliff by the coast here. And the sea is amazing. Look out here. And the boat out there fishing or diving or whatever they're doing. Pretty amazing. And this cliff here is pretty incredible too. Let's just do the walk and see where it goes. I have no idea. I've never been here before in my life, so let's go see what it does. Osteria degli Arci. Oh, this is degli Arci. Is that a restaurant or is this the arch? Or oh, I think this was a restaurant when I looked online. Are these hard or no? They're just cardboard. Okay, and the town's got tons of them. Yeah, it's a restaurant, I think. De Osteria degli Arci. And believe it or not, that's a street. Wow, okay. Beautiful. Yeah, that's amazing, huh? Very cute. Wow, wow. But this little walkway here is pretty neat. And another little street. They're tiny little streets. Huh. Yeah, that cliff is pretty amazing. Uh-oh. I hear music playing. And more cute little streets. Huh. Walk away, walk away. Well, this is gonna get flagged, but that's life, I guess. Wow. That's pretty amazing, huh? Cute little area. Huh, and I guess that's the end of the walkway. But it looks like there's spiral staircases right over there in this corner that work its way down there into that pool. That's pretty amazing. Wow. And the water certainly is blue, I'll tell you. Pretty amazing. Look at all the guys fishing out there. That's pretty amazing, huh? Just hanging out doing their thing. All right, everybody. Well, this is just one little walkway I found. So, in a cute little square. Well, let me go see if I can find myself a beer, because maybe that's got a beer over there. Let's go take a look. These little side streets are just cute as a button. Isn't that amazing? And here's another little side street. That one looks long. And then it goes here. Wow, that's really cute too. Very cool, very cool. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go in here and see if I can find a beer. Bye, everybody.